How are you? Have you had your breakfast? But I didn't. I'm hungry now. As mom is not here, I have to prepare my breakfast. So, what should we make? Yeah, a vegetable sandwich could be a good idea. It's easy to make and healthy too. So, let's go to the kitchen. So, we are in the kitchen. We have got ingredients for vegetable sandwich. So, in vegetables we have cucumber, tomato, lettuce and sweet corn and little bit vegetables for garnishing. Then butter, mayonnaise, salt, black pepper and tomato ketchup and bread. First take a bowl, add all vegetables together. Take a pinch of salt, add black pepper, add mayonnaise, and mix it properly. Batter is ready now. Keep it aside. Take 2 slices of bread.